Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, here let me get in the center, but what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be unboxing some hyped accessories, some hypebeast accessories. I guess they're kind of hypebeast, not really, because I wouldn't necessarily put anything designer in the hypebeast category. You'll see what I mean, maybe. Like, it's not, I wouldn't necessarily consider it hypebeast, but they are hyped items, so I am going to put that in the title, and they are accessories. So today we're going to be unboxing some bracelets, necklaces, different things like that from Dior, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Just another unboxing. I haven't done one in a while, and the 30K giveaway is going to be announced in a few days, so stay tuned for that, guys. Since I'm going on vacation tomorrow, and I said I was going to be announcing it over vacation, so it's on my Instagrams. It's where it's going to be announced, so go check those out down below. I just want to pop these up right here, but go check those out down below, because that's where it's going to be going on, is on my personal mainly, so go check that out. And if you also want to, for more content like this, unboxing Dior stuff, and just unboxings in general, of just, you know, hype stuff, sneakers, anything like that, I do a wide variety of content. You guys can subscribe below, and also drop a like. Let's try and hit 150 likes on this video, so I'd like to see everybody drop a like, and let's see if we can hit 150. That'd be dope, and I'll definitely bring you guys some more unboxings if this one definitely does well. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get into reviewing some Dior, because you know, we got some fire pieces here. I like them. Overall, gotten good reviews. Alright, so the first chain we got here, I sold this one. I've sold all of them, but this one right here is this Dior chain. As you can see, it's kind of like a bigger one, a big pendant pink one, and basically, you know, it's an 18-inch chain, so basically, you know, it would hang nicely on the neck, and you know, just kind of like the big pendant. I really mess with this one. It's different than the rest of them, and also it's much bigger than the rest of them. Like this, none of them are like kind of shaped like a rectangle like this one. Like this one's a straight. I mean, as you can see, it's like the number 2 Dior little pendant, and you can see it's very, very clean. 2 stripes in it, kind of like silver also, but this one's super clean. It's way bigger than the other ones, as I've mentioned, and you know, it's kind of different. 18-inch chain, so it's you know, it's kind of it's a nice little fit for, you know, someone like me. If you got a big neck, then I'm gonna put the hat on. I don't know, I'm just kind of messing with the hat because the hair is all over the place, so I don't want to mess with it or be talking about it. But yeah, basically this pendant is actually really nice. I've talked about it. The pink colorway, I think, is actually pretty cool. You know, I'm not even a big fan of pink, but you know, I got the pink on mine. You know, you see, I got like the, see, this one's like what I'm talking about, much bigger. Like this is usually the size of one, and look at the size of this one kind of compared. Like it is much bigger. So yeah, you know, shout out to chin hairs too. But yeah, this one is cool, and I sold this, and so shout out whoever's getting this one. This one is a really cool and unique one, so I'm gonna show you all the other one I also got. And as I said in the title, I got 6 of them, so we're gonna be reviewing 6 of them, so that's one of them. But the next one we got is this one. It's just kind of like a star. It just says CD on it, but the chain's really nice. You can see it's kind of like a, I don't know if it's gonna focus for me on this. You probably, I'm just not even gonna like give it too much effort on that one. I want to focus on the CD, so of course I'm gonna put some effort into that. So there's like the CD, as you can see, and the CD obviously stands for Christian Dior, and you know, the same thing on the back. This one's really cool. You see the chain's also really nice, and also this one's 18 inches, kind of like the same little lobster clamp as like the rest of them. My little one right here, I got actually, you guys are gonna see here in a second, kind of what I'm talking about. But this one, like the little clamp, is the same as the rest of them. And you know, this one's kind of like a simple one. You know, this one's kind of like it could fit a guy or girl. I really feel like the star doesn't matter. I don't feel like gender really matters with any of these chains. And like personally, this one's actually pretty cool. It's a little simple one. I sold this one for not even that much. This is definitely a good deal I gave on this one, because it's just a little simple design. So of course, you know, we're gonna throw the little deal. And yeah, shout out whoever's getting this. So you know, we got the little star Christian Dior pendant, and that's like the second one we got on an 18-inch silver chain. Very nice, very nice. Quite the Dior chain. Alright, so the battery died, but you know, we got another one right here, and we back kind of like in vlog style, because we know I'm going to show you all this one. But we got a little bracelet right here, as you can see. It's a little Dior encrusted bracelet, and basically, and you can probably see that, but it actually does kind of happen to spell Dior, and it's just a little silver bracelet again. It's probably not going to focus close up for me, but again, it kind of has like that, kind of got like little crystals in it, so this one's actually a little cool. And you know, just like kind of goes around your wrist. Obviously, you know, I'm putting it around my hand right now, but if you look, like opened up the clamp right here, it would probably fit around my wrist. So you know, it's a cool little Dior bracelet. I'm not really too big of a fan on the bracelets. I probably will end up getting one though, because that probably makes me a hypocrite, but this one's still very nice. So yeah, you know, a little Dior bracelet. Shout out whoever copped that one. And we got another one right here, of course. As I said, we have 6, so we're gonna get into that one. The bracelet was just a little something I wanted to go over, because I did sell that one too, but you know, I'm not really like huge on the bracelets. But we did sell this one, so right here, we got the red Dior Trotter necklace, as you can see. So you probably can see, I'm gonna try and get it. I notice I'm holding it by the top. I just need to hold it by the end to really get it to focus. But as you can see, there's kind of like the full design. You see it's just kind of like the silver block, and there's like the red number 2. This one's kind of like a little bit damaged. You can see some of the red's gone in it, but you can still see like the 2. And it's just like a little Dior Trotter necklace. Again, this one is also on an 18-inch chain, and I found this one to still be fairly nice. I did sell this one for a good deal. I think it was a bundle deal. I sold it also with some other stuff, but yeah, you know, this one you could wear. Just wear this little one around the neck, you know, and it's still a little fly design. But yeah, there it is, and you see the little CD that's right by the clamp. And you know, just kind of like a red colorway. It's focusing fairly nice, but you can see that. And that's just, again, another one I sold. I don't know why I'm talking about it for so long, but I really just wanted to try and get a good shot of it focusing, but for some reason my camera ain't doing that for me. So yeah, shout out my shaky hands. And another one we got, this one is actually matching the exact one I have around my neck right now, so I want you all to get a good little vision of that one. So that's what it looks like. And I got another one basically that I actually ended up selling. I got this one for low, and you know, I was able to sell it, or being able to sell it, and you can see it's pretty much the exact same, the pink little parts hidden behind it. This one's actually in a little bit better condition than mine, I think, but I did end up selling this one too. And you know, again, like with the little D on it, the like encrusted part, you can see that part right here that also actually ends up saying Dior on the back, so you can probably peep that. And then you got like the white charm, and then the actual like pink part that hangs here, so you know that all like kind of stacks, and you know, it looks like this usually. So that's kind of what it looks like, and that's how it looks like to wear. I ended up getting another one of those and sold it. So as you guys see, like that's one of the ones that I got. So yeah, that one's right, as you can see right there with the charm. So that one's pretty dope. And you probably saw the last one that we're actually going to get into. I really am, this is my favorite one out of all the ones I probably copped here, other than the big pink one. The big pink one, I mean, just peep all of them. This one's really dope. The star is also nice, little bracelets. As you can see, you got little there's a little part I was trying to talk about. You got little like pink diamonds in there, not diamonds, but like, you know, crystals in there. And then you got, like, there you go, the red one, and then you got this one right here, the one with the charms. There's the one with the charms, as you can see, same, pretty much the exact same as mine. When you flip this over, and yeah, everything's the same. I don't want to mess it up, but yeah, there you go, all good. And then finally, the last one I want to get into is this one right here. It's actually a really nice little gold one. As you can see, it has like the little crystals in it. Again, this one's a little, just 18-inch chain. It says CD, stands for Christian Dior. I don't know, I think it says something in here. Yeah, it says a little Dior in there. You can probably peep that. But yeah, this one's actually also very nice, and I'm a big fan of that. So that's all of the Dior chains that I ended up copying. Shout out the pasta bowl that you just saw. You probably didn't need to see that. I'll go take that down. Yeah, you know, I just had that, but you know, it's still a little, I know nobody want to be seeing that. So yeah, those were all the Dior chains I copped and sold. So pretty cool unboxing, hopefully, and let's roll that outro. Anyways, though, if you guys do want more content like this, you guys can go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. Let's see if we can hit 150 likes. I'd really appreciate it. That'd be super dope. But you know, this is just, again, another like Dior unboxing. I've been getting a lot of these to sell. I've just been buying and selling them because you guys really have been at high demand for them. You guys are really big fans of them, and you know, of course, when you guys want something, I will try and deliver it. So of course, I'll be delivering the giveaway over the weekend, which you guys can go check out my Instagrams down below for. So hopefully you guys are checking me out there, follow me there. Appreciate the followers that you guys have been sending me there, and you know, all you've been staying tuned. I'll have a new post up there soon for the giveaway and all that on my personal, so stay tuned. And you can also check out the resale page, because I'll probably be posting some other bracelets and stuff and necklaces for sale, so stay tuned there. But yeah, that's really all I gotta say. So I'm Tristan, thank you all for watching, and I know I'll hopefully will see you all in the next video. Peace.